Hey, Process Pros. So today I want to walk through how you can search and query the entire workflow canvas based on a keyword. This question has come up a couple of times where once your map starts to get very, very large, for instance, this puzzle instance has almost 2,000 steps across a dozen tabs here. Each tab has a couple hundred steps. And users have asked, well, how do I search across all of these steps to find out all of the places across my processes that might incorporate some keyword? Well, if you want to do that search, what you would use is the list view. So the list view can be found in the workflow canvas. On any of the tabs, you go to the left sidebar and you click list view. List view will load up a tabular view of your entire step database. You can also flick over to a section level tabular view, but we're going to stay on steps because we want to search. Let's say that we want to search all places where first name, the word first name, is mentioned across any of our steps, including the step notes. So you can see when I type in first name, I get all of the steps here that mention first name in the notes right here. So really, really powerful. And then you'll go ahead and use these filters, these additional filters, to tailor down your query even more. So let's say that I was only looking for HubSpot steps where first name was mentioned. And you can see it was named here, here, and here. And I can go ahead and open up those things. I'll be popped right over to those particular steps in the process. We have since deprecated HubSpot, which is why all of these steps are in the archive tab over here. But that's the best way to find all of the steps that pertain to a particular keyword that might exist across your documentation, whether it's in the step notes or it's in the step name. All right, hope that helps. Cheers.